What I'm doing, I'm really locking his hand to my chest as I'm overwrapping it. Over here, I wrap it once, tight. Look, I'm pulling to the right. I reach here, and I'm pulling here, and I grab it as tight as I can. And I lock it right here, so it's twisting his wrist too. Here, I want to pull him in so that my left foot can go on his hip as my right knee aims for his shoulder. Okay? I'll keep it here, but this right here, that's mine. Okay, he's not going anywhere. The more he pulls, okay, the more screwed he is. Okay. Now, for me to be able to get the angle, push him away here. My left foot moves my hips here, and my hand pulls me in. As my heel goes to my knee, I lock it here. From here, you never do triangles, foot straight. Okay? I want to keep it straight to maybe get my leg over, but then I pull so tight. Sorry. Now just with that right foot. So what I'm doing here is, excuse me 1 second. Israel and Josh, 10 push-ups. Stop running through here. You're interrupting our class. Sorry. All right, here. Okay, both. Here, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm here. Okay. My hips have the ability to move. Turn this way here, and then I'm gonna pull myself in, and aim my heel from my knee as I keep pulling him in here. Why not? I mean, what's my hand gonna do? Here, here. Now watch this. Here. So now, what I'm doing is I'm using this like a lock, and I'm making a C. My knees are pressing that hole. Okay. Also, I'm keeping his hand to my chest. I'm not letting this float. Okay? This is right to right. You gotta make sure you have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. This tightens it a lot right here, and I'm keeping it to my chest. I'm not like here letting it float, because I want to lock that hole just as I do with the arm trap. This hand, I want to pull him, push him. I don't want to be all like dangling here. I want to be here. As I go here to get my leg out, and I pull him in to get that in, because it's a try. Here, now, that top leg is a C, and it pushes into this foot. If you watch this knee, relax, because it's a shoulder. Okay? So this is the right to right. Now, you do left to left. No, same. Right. Sorry. Okay. So this, or my right to right, you go over. For the left to left, for the left here, you're gonna go under. You have to overlap it 1 extra time. Here. Here. Okay. Or so you have it left to left. Okay. I like right to right better, but I'm just showing you. Okay. So right to right is over. Left to left is under, over, under. Lock it this way. Stop. Yeah. Grab this collar here. Because he can't move his hand. That's dirt. Okay, even if he tries to come up. Okay. If you can get it, that's the whole thing. In jiu-jitsu, you can get it, you get it. It's like, you say, well, I can't get it. Well, you know what? If I'm trying to do this and he's posturing up, I'm not going to get this either. Okay, for like an extra, alright? Okay. Make sense? can't even, because look.
I can't even hitchhike escape this.
Yeah, because his thumb is already that way, so it's basically.
Can I try it real quick?
Yeah.
Hold it.
Nope.
No. Yeah, we're not going that way.
So right one over. You just have to wrap it one extra time here. See how
That makes a huge difference.
relax it. Yeah, because now his posture's bent. Here.
It's broken.
And as you sweep him, you just slide your left knee under.
The left knee goes under his arm.
Sure, why not? Under his shoulder. So you're not trying to get on top. Yeah. So,
Purposely not going him out so you can get him out.
yeah, because I don't even know what happens when you go around. Still not good. I mean, still get extra. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And it didn't feel right. But, you have to make sure you have enough. Pull, push, here, and as you sweep. Oops, sorry.
That's my fault.
That's fine. Got it. You can maybe. So you can do that too. Hey, what do you know? Okay, I'm all out. I have to loosen the wrist so it doesn't twist. Over, on. Try. 1, 2, 3. Lock your wrist to your chest so you roll the thumb up.
I'm not going to ever be able to escape that.
Yeah. Roll it. Drop the sleeves like all sure. Scoot over. Yeah. Just to your left. Yeah. Slide your left knee under the shoulder. Put your left knee to your right.
No, don't extend away. Watch where your thumb is. When you finish, you're bringing your hips into it. Don't extend away. Don't extend away. There you go. Yes. You're extending away. You're pushing over. You're pulling my arm to me. You're not pushing against my elbow. No, keep your. You got a frame. You extend the wing only for the turn. My arm.